This RE/MAX Crown Realty property video is presented by Becky Boncek. Riverfront included in this spacious island kitchen home. Raised porch overlooks the water. Full bay window across the living room and dining room also allows you to enjoy the water views. Family room opens to an additional porch and spacious workshop. Double carport is wonderful when friends and family arrive. For more information, review the details below or contact Becky Boncek at 772-589-3054.